let's play on this beautiful golden gramophone. True, these old musical instruments sound so good. Yeah, I like to listen music from gramophone every day when I get up in the morning. It just feels so refreshing and good, you know. You are absolutely right, Teresa. And by talking about this gramophone, it has led me to have an idea that why not let's make a gramophone on my channel today? Woohoo! That is a fantastic idea! And you know what? What, Teresa? Do you want to say something? Yes, Susan. Your idea is very great. But also, you have a request from your dear subscriber, and she wants to see you make a gramophone as well. Really? Yeah, look. Oh, I see. Then I think I should not waste any more time and start making a gramophone. Wise choice, Scissor. So, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go.
So for this you'll need cardboard, card paper, papers, foil, paints. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken these 4 squares over here and I've taken the thick cardboard. So you can see the measurements on your screen. Now I'll just use my hot glue gun to stick these two together. And then the third part. And then the fourth one. Okay, so after this, as you can see, I've got this thick piece. Then I'll just take this white cardboard and I'll cover it on the sides. So this white cardboard will make the corners even, and after that, as you can see, I've taken few more squares over here. So I'll just stick these two together. But before that, I'll be covering this with white card paper and then this one as well. So after I've covered these 3 together, now as you can see, I'm using this glue and I'll be sticking this white card paper over here. So white card paper will go on the corners. And then I'll just stick this on top of the other one. So as you can see, it's slightly small in size. And then I'll just take this white card paper stripes and I'll be covering it over here. So I'll stick these on the sides. Now these 2 tiny strips over here as well. So this will create an emboss effect. As you can see, I've done it on all the 4 corners. And this corner is left like this, as you can see. Then over here, as you can see, I've taken this craft wire and I'll cover it with white paper to make this a coiling. And after I do that, I'll just cut it along with the shape. So once it's done, as you can see, it's looking something like this, and I'll just stick it on each of the sides. So after doing that, it will look something like this. And then I'll just glue the bottom, and after gluing this, I'll stick this white card paper over here, so this will be the base. And then I'll just put a white card paper on top as well. So once that is done, as you can see, I've taken these two cardboard cutouts again, and I've taken these 3 different ones, and after that I'll just use the glue and stick them together. As you can see, this is the shape. So now I'll just stick it over here on the other side, which I've left completely plain, and I've also marked a line on that, so I'll just stick it inside it this way. And then I've taken this golden card paper, you can say it's a golden card paper circle, and I'll just start folding it from the middle and then the middle again, and then these 2 parts. So after folding and then opening it, it will give you something like this. So you will get some folds, and then you will fold it outwards like this. So this is how it will look. And after that, I'll just fold it again and cut out a part of it so it can look like a flower, as you can see. And you just have to cut these 3 sides. Make sure it's nice and even, and after you open it, you will get a shape like this. So it's already looking very beautiful. After that, I've taken this foil, and I've taken golden foil over here, and I'll just start sticking it in the inside part. And after I cover this, I'll just cut the excess foil and I'll just cut it off. So as you can see, I've got these 2 sides, 2 different beautiful sides. One is very shiny, which will be the outside, and the other one from the inside will be the golden foil one, obviously. And then I'll just cut these 2 parts off. So you can see I've just cut that part off, and then I'll just cut this circle in the middle. And then I'll just stick these 2 parts inside. So it will give you something like this. And once that is done, I'll just use my fingers to cover this and to fold it little bit outwards in the opposite direction. So as you can see, this is how I got this shape. And now I've taken another piece of golden card paper, and I'll just fold it like this as well. So once the folds are nice and ready, I'll just stick it over here like this, so the folds are now even. And then I've taken this another piece of very tiny golden card paper, and I'll be covering it on the brush to get that perfect coiling. So now as you can see, I've got that, and I'll just cut it like this. So I'll just cut into a half shape horizontally, and then I'll just stick these 2 together. So once that is done, now I'll just take another piece of golden card paper, and then again I'll just use my brush to cover it and make a coiling. After that, I'll just use the scissors and make some cuts like this, and I'll just stick it over here. So once I've stuck, it looks something like this. And then I've taken this wire, and I'll cover it with golden foil. So after it's covered, as you can see, I've taken this white pearl bead, and I'll just apply it on one corner and then glue it so that it doesn't come out. And then I've done this another piece of pearl bead again. So once that is done, now I'll just use this tiny pieces of cardboard circles and I'll be sticking it over here on the other end. So once that is done, now I'll just apply this very tiny piece of craft wire and then I'll just apply another piece of circle again. So basically you have to add more layers to make it thick, and this is what I get in the end. So as you can see, after that I'll just use this and I'll stick it over here. So now as you can see, I've stuck this. And then I'll be sticking these two parts together. So now this top half is now ready, as you can see, and it will look something like this when it's finally attached. But before that, as you can see, I'll just use the scissor and make a little cuts over here. And then I'll just glue it to this part. Like this. So this is done now. Now I'll use this brown acrylic paint and I'll start painting the box of this gramophone. So once it's all nice and painted, I have taken these cardboard circles again, as you can see, and these are 3 different size, and also a craft wire, and then I'll just make holes in the middle. So first I'll attach the tiny one inside the craft wire, and then I'll attach it over here on the box in which I've already made the hole. Now after doing that, as you can see, I've attached it over here. Now I'll take another piece of cardboard circle, and the larger one in size, and I'll just paint it into this green shade. And after doing that, I'll attach that also with the craft wire, and then I'll just attach these golden card paper detailings on each of the sides. And this is completely optional, but it also makes your creative effort look to the top level. So that's really nice. So that's what you have to do it right now. You have to add these golden detailings, and you have to add any golden hint you want to add in this. So once that is done, as you can see, it's looking something like this. Now to make this one, I've taken another piece of cardboard circle and I'll be painting this with complete black acrylic paint. And as you can see, it also has a circle inside it, and then I'll just use these 2 red cardboard circles on each of the sides. So now once that is done and nice and dry, I'll just make some hole. I'll just make a hole inside it and then place it on that craft wire. After doing that, as you can see, I've used another craft wire and I've covered it with silver foil, and then I'll just apply another piece of silver foil on each of the sides, and then I'll just apply this white pearl bead again on one side, obviously, and then another one. So this is how it looks. This will be the handle, and I'll be attaching this to the box, and I'll make a hole first and then I'll just attach it. This way, so it will roll like this. Ta-da! It's complete final. That's how you apply this, and then you roll this. this is the final look, guys, of the miniature gramophone. I just love this video. If you also like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Hey guys, so before ending this video here, I would like to say that if you love me and my work, then please make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to become a part of my Phoenix army. And also, if you want to connect with me, then follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and also make sure to follow me on my Facebook. So this way I can connect with you all on all the social medias and different platforms. And guys, if you all want, you can comment down below anything that you want to see next in my videos, and I'll try to make all of them really soon